Are you eating foods that silently damage your kidneys? Most people don't realize how common foods, like bananas or bread, can become harmful when your kidneys are under stress. In this video, we'll break down the top 10 foods that can harm your kidneys, explain why they're risky, and share what to eat instead. If you care about your long-term health, this is one video you don't want to skip. Welcome back to Health Nexus, where we decode the science of wellness and make it work for you. Your kidneys are small but mighty. They filter your blood, balance fluids, regulate minerals, and remove waste. But when they're overwhelmed, toxins build up, blood pressure rises, and your body starts to suffer. Let's protect them by understanding which foods put them at risk, and why. 1. Dark-colored sodas. These drinks contain phosphoric acid, which gives soda its tangy bite, but it's a hidden danger. Excess phosphorus can lead to calcium deposits in the kidneys, increasing the risk of kidney stones and chronic kidney disease. And that's not all. Most sodas contain high fructose corn syrup, which spikes insulin and promotes fat buildup around organs. Even diet sodas aren't safe. Studies suggest artificial sweeteners may reduce kidney filtration over time. Swap with sparkling water with lemon, infused water, or unsweetened iced tea. Pro tip: add cucumber or mint to your water for a refreshing twist. 2. Processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and deli meats are loaded with sodium, nitrates, and preservatives. Sodium raises blood pressure, damaging the delicate blood vessels in your kidneys. Nitrates and nitrites, used for preservation, can trigger oxidative stress and inflammation, both linked to kidney decline. And let's not forget the saturated fat, which contributes to heart disease, a major risk factor for kidney failure. Swap with fresh lean meats, grilled chicken, or plant-based proteins like lentils and beans. Meal idea: try a chickpea salad with olive oil and lemon. It's kidney-friendly and delicious. 3. Fast food. Fast food is a cocktail of salt, saturated fats, and chemical additives. One burger and fries combo can contain over 1,500 milligrams of sodium, more than half your daily limit. Trans fats, found in fried items, promote inflammation and insulin resistance, both of which impair kidney function. And many fast foods contain hidden phosphorus additives, which aren't listed on labels but can accumulate in your body. Swap with home-cooked meals using whole ingredients and healthy oils like olive or avocado. Quick fix: prep meals in bulk to avoid the temptation of drive-through dinners. 4. Bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, which is essential, but only in the right amounts. If your kidneys are compromised, they can't filter out excess potassium, leading to hyperkalemia. This condition causes muscle weakness, numbness, and dangerous heart rhythm changes. Even healthy individuals should monitor potassium if they're eating multiple high-potassium foods daily, like potatoes, oranges, and spinach. Swap with apples, blueberries, or grapes, lower in potassium and safer for kidney health. Snack tip: freeze grapes for a sweet, crunchy treat. 5. Canned soups and vegetables. Convenient but risky. Many canned goods contain over 800 milligrams of sodium per serving. That's more than half your daily limit. Excess sodium causes fluid retention, swelling, and elevated blood pressure, all of which stress the kidneys. Some canned items also contain BPA, a chemical in the lining that may disrupt hormone balance and kidney function. Swap with low sodium or no salt added versions, or fresh produce cooked at home. Kitchen tip: rinse canned vegetables before cooking to reduce sodium content. 6. Red meat. Red meat is high in purines, which break down into uric acid, a waste product your kidneys must filter. Too much uric acid can lead to gout and kidney stones. Animal protein also increases the acid load in your body, which may cause kidney damage over time. Processed red meats are even worse due to added sodium and preservatives. Swap with fish, eggs, tofu, or legumes in moderation. Try meatless meals a few times a week. Recipe idea: lentil stew with turmeric and garlic, anti-inflammatory and kidney-friendly. 7. Chocolate, especially dark chocolate, is rich in phosphorus and potassium, which can build up in the blood if your kidneys aren't working well. It's also high in sugar and saturated fat, which contribute to insulin resistance and inflammation. Even small amounts can be problematic if consumed frequently, especially for those with early-stage kidney issues. Swap with fresh fruit, low-phosphorus desserts, or small portions of dark chocolate on occasion. Sweet swap. Try frozen banana slices dipped in dark chocolate, just 1 or 2 pieces. 8. White bread. White bread is made from refined flour, stripped of fiber and nutrients. It causes rapid spikes in blood sugar, increasing the risk of diabetes, a leading cause of kidney failure. Some commercial breads also contain added salt and preservatives, which further burden the kidneys. Whole grain breads are better, but they may contain more phosphorus, so moderation is key. Swap with low-sodium, whole grain bread or sprouted grain options. Label tip: look for breads with less than 150 milligrams of sodium per slice. 9. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose may affect kidney function over time. Some studies show they reduce kidney filtration rates when consumed regularly. They also disrupt gut bacteria, which can indirectly affect inflammation and kidney health. While they're marketed as safe, long-term effects are still being studied. Swap with stevia, monk fruit, or small amounts of natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Drink tip: sweeten your tea with cinnamon or ginger instead of sugar. 10. Packaged snacks. Chips, crackers, cookies. These are often high in salt, sugar, unhealthy fats, and phosphorus additives. They're low in nutrients and promote weight gain, high blood pressure, and insulin resistance. Many contain hidden phosphorus, which isn't required to be listed on labels but can accumulate in the body. Swap with homemade snacks like unsalted nuts, fruit slices, or air-popped popcorn. Snack hack: make your own trail mix with almonds, pumpkin seeds, and dried cranberries. Our kidneys work 24/7 to keep your body in balance. The good news? You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Start by cutting back on these risky foods and replacing them with kidney-friendly alternatives. Small changes today can prevent big problems tomorrow. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment below. Which of these foods surprised you the most? Subscribe to Health Nexus and turn on notifications so you never miss a health-saving tip.